In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an indent to text in Mailchimp. Whether you're creating a marketing campaign, a newsletter, or just a simple update, understanding how to format your text can make your email look polished and professional. Let's walk through the steps to achieve this. First, open your Mailchimp account and navigate to the email editor where you're composing your message. Once there, you'll want to find the specific text block you want to indent. Typically, these blocks are easily noticeable and can be selected by clicking on them within the design window. Having done that, the next step you're looking for is switching your view from the regular text editor to the HTML or source view. This might sound technical, but don't worry, it's straightforward and allows you to have more control over the formatting. With the HTML view open, find the paragraph or text segment you want to adjust. To create the indent, you'll need to add some CSS styling directly into the HTML. Specifically, you'll be working with padding and margin styles. You might use something like style padding left 20px, which will give you a nice visible indent on the left side of your text. You can adjust the number 20 to however you see fit. It refers to pixels, so the higher the number, the larger your indent. After inserting the CSS style, it's important not to rush things. We need to ensure everything is working correctly and looks just the way you want it. So what you'll do next is save your changes and then preview the email. Mailchimp provides a handy preview feature that allows you to see how your recipients will view your email. Check to make sure the indentation is applied correctly and that the overall layout remains as you intended. This review step is crucial because it allows you to make any necessary adjustments before sending your email out into the world. If you notice the indent isn't appearing as expected, just go back to the HTML view and double check your style tags and values. It might be as simple as a missing semicolon or a typo. Once you're satisfied with how your indented text looks in the preview, you're ready to send or schedule your email. Keep in mind that different email clients may render HTML slightly differently, so it's always a good practice to send a test email to yourself. This way, you can see firsthand how it looks across different devices and make any final tweaks if needed. And there you have it, a cleanly indented text block ready to catch your reader's eye, elevating the readability and professionalism of your email. Thanks for following along, and happy emailing with